Hey, hello everyone. This is Tejal from Sunmul Software, and today we are going to learn how to add projects. So let's start. Just click on Project Manager module, then open Project submodule and go to this four dots. You will see multiple option over here. If you want to export multiple projects, then you can use export to CSV and export to Excel option to download that projects. Okay, so if you want to create new project, then click on add project option. Just add name of that project. I'm just adding project 12. Just select customer. If you don't get this list of customer, then please check out my video how to add customers and you will get that list over here. Okay, just select customer, then select type. If type list were not there, then please add it from this add icon. Then add scope of work. Just add requested by. Then add point of contract. I'm just adding Dino over here. And then just select payment terms. All required fields were filled. Then you can save it. Your new project will be created on the index page. And you can easily view, edit and delete that entry through these actions, and you can also perform multiple actions from here. If you want to search your project, then you can use filter to quick search your project. This is how you can quick search your project, and through refresh button you can refresh your search data. This is how you can add the new projects. If you get any queries to add these projects, then please connect us at contact us at @sunmulsoftware.com. See you soon in another interesting video.